In this video lesson, you'll discover the wiping out and washing out methods and how to use them in watercolor painting.
Now I will make another plain wash and let it dry in order to demonstrate the washing out painting method. I will fast forward to the finished wash because we have already covered how to do this in previous video lessons of the Watercolor Academy course. Before we perform the washing out technique, I would like to repeat the wiping out method once again, whilst the plain wash is still wet. The damp brush absorbs paint quite well. The same happens with blotting the painted surface with a paper napkin. Keeping the napkin moist improves the process. The natural sponge also has to be prepared for wiping out. After dipping the sponge in clean water, I dry it out by squeezing it into the paper towel. A sponge absorbs wet paint better when it is damp. If you use a dry cotton stick, however, instead of wiping out the paint, it may actually damage the paper surface, leaving dark marks. To resolve this, the cotton stick has to be moistened first and then dried with a paper napkin in order to absorb wet paint more efficiently. Using a cotton stick makes it easier to wipe out thin lines with higher precision. Now the blue wash is totally dry. The damp brush will not take any paint from it. It is too late to use the wiping out method.